go to their website, which is now Molt.bot. To be honest, when I first saw this, I wasn't too convinced at the beginning that it's an actual working tool, just because the homepage design itself looks quite unpolished, let's say, but because it's garnering interest and a lot of people do want to learn what you can use it for and at least how to try it safely and securely, then I thought to try it out myself so we can make this video and you can make that informed decision of trying it out yourself. And just as a final point before we dive into the use cases, what's also interesting about Molt.bot or Molt.bot is that it is open source. So it was created by Peter, this person. But if you look here at GitHub, which is sort of like the Google Docs, but for developers where they upload all of their code and collaborate, you can see there's already hundreds of people working on this in order to make it better. And this is quite interesting to me because if you look back into the early 2000s, you can remember that when the internet was still maturing, the internet browser, for which the incumbent was Internet Explorer, there was an open source tool that came about as well, which was Mozilla Firefox, which eventually spawned Google Chrome, which most of us are using today. And it's obviously not a perfect parallel, but interesting nonetheless, because now we do have a lot of incumbents around AI, ChatGPT included, and now we have this open source tool that is gaining a lot of traction as we speak. And if it does prove successful over the next few weeks to months, I'm pretty sure that the big companies like Google, Anthropic, and even OpenAI will launch something of this nature of their own. And that's useful for you because now you have a decision to just wait for these new tools that are launched by these bigger providers, or